Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials and doing the first real steps. Sign into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center with a global admin account because you need permissions to enable phone system. Once done, assign phone system licenses to your pilot users and confirm numbers, either by new numbers or start porting. Next, decide calling plan versus direct routing. This choice affects SBC work. Also verify your tenant domain in Azure AD and create a simple voice routing policy so calls can flow when you configure trunks next. Now you execute the complex middle steps that make calls actually connect. If using direct routing, provision your SBC, ensure TLS certificates, SRTP media security, and network rules are set. Register the SBC to your team's tenant. Next, in the Teams Admin Center, create PSDN usages and matching voice routes that map called numbers to trunks. Then assign voice routing policies to user accounts. Also configure emergency locations and emergency number mappings. And apply caller ID policies so outbound numbers display correctly when users place a call. Finish by validating functionality and fixing any remaining gaps. Perform end-to-end tests. Inbound, outbound, transfers, consults, and voicemail have multiple users exercise features. Use call analytics and the call quality dashboard to catch media path or codec issues and verify network QoS. If a problem appears, first check DNS resolution, certificate validity, and that voice routing and policies are correctly assigned to users. Finally, recheck firewall and SBC ports and restart the SBC registration if signaling or media fail. That usually resolves common call failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.